Ooh, hello, hello. I don't know if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Let me check. What's happening here? My live stream is streaming. Okay. So, I have no idea how you can hear me. Oh, everything is red here. Can I do this a bit lower, a bit lower, a bit lower? I think that's better. Can you hear me now? I know nobody's listening. So, yeah, why am I doing this? Because I want to. Because I want to. So, hello everyone. This is a stream of name to be decided. We haven't decided the name yet. Where I will write a piece of software in front of a camera and see how things work out. So basically, what I want to do, I need to create a tool that I'm going to use at work. I think it's going to be interesting enough for people that care about coding to see how it works out. I really like to show my face on camera. I don't know why, I just do it. So, okay, doesn't matter. What I'm going to do, the project is going to be called Pipeline for now, until we come up with something better. And here are our requirements. I want to process files inside a user-defined folder. When a file is successfully processed, the file itself gets deleted and the path is logged. On failure, the file is moved to a letter Q folder so we can reprocess it again. We don't delete those files. The application keeps running until no files are left, and if while the project is running, if new files are added to the folder while the program is running, they should be picked up by it. I shouldn't restart the whole thing. Why do I need this? Because I want to upload a lot of files to a service I maintain, and those files take up a lot of my hard drive. Yeah, I don't have too much hard disk capacity, so the idea is that I will download the files and I will keep processing, and while the process is happening I will download other files. And at any given time I don't want to keep files that are already processed unless for some reason it didn't happen, some file didn't get processed. So for now I don't want to get into too many internal details, but I want to create this tool. So, first of all, we need one argument. We need some arguments. We need one argument for the folder. Argument. We need one argument. Okay, here's the thing. We have a folder that contains all the files, and we want every file in that folder to be processed. So we need one folder that contains the files. So this is going to be the data folder, and one argument for the management files. Actually, you know what? We don't need this. Let's create a convention. Let's set up a convention right now. We can run the project in our folder, and the project expects the folder to have a specific schema. So we're going to have a data folder. So const data folder, it's going to be the folder we are executing the tool from, and it's going to be called Interesting. Yes, it's going to be data. And the other one, let's do the other format. I need to fix my bindings. And the logging, let's call it logging. So 0 arguments. We run the command and we know that all the data, all the files we need to process are here, and every logging output will be there. And the project keeps running, the application keeps running until this folder. Whoa! What happened here? Whoa! Pfft. Okay, give me 1 second. This isn't supposed to happen. Config foot.ini. Yeah, I don't want those. I just copy pasted this file and this mess up with my configuration. Okay, so oh man, I have to, yeah, 1 second. I need to fix some things, but yeah, no worries. So let's see. Perfect, my hotkeys are working. Okay, so which is going to be the first thing we do in this thing? So I want to gather all the files inside the data folder so I can put them in a list and start processing them. That's the first thing we need to do. So I want to use the glob library, which I don't remember how it's called. Doesn't matter. I'm going to do a lot of I don't know things here, but yeah, it's live streaming. I'm going to edit this if I ever going to keep the streaming itself. Actually, do I even? Oh, I had the viewer for a moment. Maybe that was someone else. Okay. Yes, I need to glob. How is this done? Okay, so we want file path dot glob, and my pattern is going to be pub, something like that. So what we want to do here is in the data folder. Okay, so this is missing. In the data folder, I want to get all the files. I don't care how many levels of depth we need to go. Everything has to be part of the list. So it's going to be data folder, and let's go back. Glob returns the names of all files matching. Perfect. Okay, cool. So I need the paths and the error. For now, if error, just panic. Things that will need to be cleaned up later. Anyway. Okay, so fmt println paths. So let's check. Okay, so I'm going to need a data folder. So wait, what? And touch data 1, 2, 3. So go run cmd star. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. Probably. I don't know. We didn't get an error, and we didn't get any files. ls data. Yeah, the files are there. Let me try something. Okay, oh no, wait. Okay, I see. Let me see how the globe thing works. The pattern is the same as in maths. The pattern must describe hierarchical names as such as assume the separator is / ignore file system errors. Okay. Okay, there is a limit. I guess. What other options do I have? Let me see the limit again. What was it? 10,000. 10,000. Okay. Okay, you know what? Let's keep it for now. Maybe we will need to later go somewhere else. But yeah. Let me see. Okay, so there. Data folder, touch data folder 1, 2, and run. Yeah, that doesn't keep everything, so I'll need to do some reading. You know what? There is no point of streaming that. I'm going to cancel this. Oh, someone is watching. Hello. There is one person here, 2 people. Why are you watching this? Okay, feel free to leave a comment or whatever. I just want to know if you will actually watch this. Otherwise, I'm going to stop the stream and maybe do this separately, maybe do a recording, edit it a bit, because this is going to be boring as hell, unless you want to work with me on that. I don't know. Okay, I'll give a couple of minutes just to see if anyone gives a response, and then I will close it. Even one person is enough. I'm not snubbing you. I'm not snobby. Anyway. Let me see. Crap. Yeah, okay, doesn't matter. Thank you for the time you spent here. I'm happy. Everyone's happy. And yeah, I don't see any comments. So I guess that's it. Bye.